What's up? Hey, I'm Tyler with Thor. We're here at InfoComm 26, and I want to show you one of our products here. It's called the Hammer. This is our Hammer series. Comes in a single ear or a dual ear. It has this dual ear attachment where you can remove and run it as a single ear or a dual ear, so it's nice to have that flexibility. Another cool thing about it is it's Omni, and it already kind of has a tailored frequency response to where it has a little bit of a high boost, but very natural, linear below that high boost there. So that gives you a nice presence boost. Offered in 2 different sizes and 3 colors. 2 different sizes, SE9 and SE11. Different boom links is the only thing that's different there, so you can see the different boom links to make sure you have perfect positioning on your cheek, close to your mouth. So that's super key. Other than that, we offer it in all these different connectors to be able to support all the major wireless manufacturers. Thanks.